Before we dive into the depths of the rarest types of twin pregnancy, let us take a moment to ponder the profound significance of twinning itself. From ancient folklore to modern science, the concept of twins has captured the imagination of humanity for millennia. Whether seen as symbols of duality, reflections of divine symmetry, or marvels of genetic chance, twins have held a special place in our collective consciousness. Now, with this prelude in mind, let us embark on a journey to explore the extraordinary world of exceptionally rare types of twins. Have you ever wondered about the extraordinary variations within the realm of twindom? Brace yourself as we embark on a captivating journey to unveil the mystique of twins that defy the norm. From marvels of science to wonders of nature, join us in unraveling the enigma of exceptionally rare types of twin pregnancy. Twins are a phenomenon that has long interested and enthralled us in the fabric of human existence. Twins have spawned innumerable stories, research projects, and conjectures throughout history, from classical mythology to contemporary science. Although identical and fraternal twins are well studied and well known, there is a subset of twindom that delves into the remarkable and places a premium on rarity. Today, we explore the most obscure aspects of this remarkable universe to find the most unusual kinds of twins. These are not just variants on the topic of twinning, rather they are scientific miracles that cast doubt on our knowledge of biology, genetics, and the fundamental nature of what it means to be a twin. Two main types of twins predominate in the enormous tapestry of twindom: dizygotic, fraternal twins, and monozygotic, identical twins. Even though very uncommon kinds of twins capture our attention, it's important to comprehend the basis around which these remarkable variances are produced. So here is there. Number 1. Dizygotic fraternal twins. Fraternal twins, which are also known as dizygotic twins, make up about 2/3 of all twin births and are the most common kind of twinning in humans. Dizygotic twins, in contrast to their monozygotic counterparts, are produced when two different sperm cells fertilize two separate eggs at the same time. Consequently, dizygotic twins share 50% of their genetic material on average, which is the same as any other sibling born of a different pregnancy. Dizygotic twinning is more frequent in women over 35 because they are more likely to release several eggs during ovulation. Compared to other populations, dizygotic twinning is more common in some ethnic groups, such as West and Central Africans. Due to genetic predispositions, a family history of dizygotic twinning can raise the chance of conceiving dizygotic twins. Dizygotic twins' characteristics. Similar to other siblings born from separate pregnancies, dizygotic twins might be of the same or opposite sex. They may share characteristics inherited from their parents while displaying distinct differences, much like siblings born at different times. Like any other sibling, dizygotic twins might have different blood types. Number 2. Monozygotic, identical twins. From a single fertilized egg, two distinct embryos separate and grow into two. Within the first 2 weeks of conception, this division usually takes place, producing genetically identical individuals. Nearly all of the genetic material in monozygotic twins is shared, resulting in remarkable physical similarities, including identical DNA sequences. Two embryos are created when a fertilized egg splits spontaneously, a phenomenon that happens in 3 to 4 pregnancies worldwide for every 1,000. In contrast to dizygotic twinning, monozygotic twinning is not substantially influenced by maternal age. The modification of embryos during in vitro fertilization, IVF, and other assisted reproductive procedures may occasionally result in the production of monozygotic twins. Since monozygotic twins are created from a single fertilized egg with a set chromosomal makeup, They are always of the same sex. Their physical resemblance is often striking, sharing the same body proportions, fingerprints, and facial features. Monozygotic twins may nevertheless have different personalities, tastes, and characteristics impacted by their genetic makeup, despite sharing the same DNA. Number 3. Conjoined twins. This is the birth of identical twins who are physically joined together at birth. This rare phenomenon occurs when the fertilized egg partially splits into two embryos but fails to completely separate. As a result, the twins remain connected by tissue, which can range from a small bridge to more complex structures involving shared organs and body parts. The exact cause of conjoined twinning is not fully understood, but it is thought to be a random occurrence during early embryonic development. Factors such as genetic predisposition or environmental influences may play a role, but most cases occur sporadically without a clear cause. Conjoined twins can be classified based on the parts of the body they share and the extent of their connection. Some may share vital organs such as the heart or liver, while others may have separate organ systems but share a limb or other body parts. The level of complexity and the twins' overall health can vary widely depending on the specific circumstances. Treatment options for conjoined twins depend on factors such as their anatomy, overall health, and the feasibility of separation. In some cases, separation surgery may be possible, but it is often complex and carries significant risks. The decision to pursue separation is carefully considered and involves a multidisciplinary team of medical professionals. Conjoined twins often face unique challenges throughout their lives, including physical limitations, social stigma, and medical complications. However, with advances in medical care and support from their families and communities, many conjoined twins can lead fulfilling lives. Also, many conjoined twins die before or shortly after birth, but some surviving conjoined twins can be separated via surgery. The success of this depends on where the twins are joined and the organs they share. Number 4. Superfecundation, twins. This is a unique type of twin birth that occurs when a woman releases multiple eggs during ovulation and each egg is fertilized by a different sperm. This can result in twins who are conceived at different times during the same menstrual cycle and may have different biological fathers. The term superfecundation comes from the Latin words super, meaning above or over, and fecundar, meaning to fertilize. This phenomenon is more common in certain situations, such as when a woman has intercourse with different partners within a short time frame, or if she releases multiple eggs during ovulation and has intercourse with the same partner on different occasions during her fertile window. Superfecundation twins may share the same womb and be born at the same time, but they can have different genetic makeup and may even have different gestational ages if they were conceived days or weeks apart. This can lead to differences in physical characteristics, such as skin tone or hair color, between the twins. While superfecundation is relatively rare in humans, it has been documented in medical literature and is more commonly observed in certain animal species. DNA testing is often used to confirm the genetic relationship between twins in cases of suspected superfecundation. Number 5. Sesquizygotic, polar body, twins. These types of twins share the same chromosomes from their birthing parent, but they get different chromosomes from their non-birthing parent. Sesquizygotic twins, also known as half-identical twins or polar twins, are an extremely rare type of twins that occur when two sperm fertilize two separate bodies from the same egg during the process of fertilization. This results in 3 sets of chromosomes, 1 from the mother and 2 from different sperm, making these twins genetically similar but not identical. The process of polar body twinning is quite unusual and occurs when an egg undergoes incomplete cell division during meiosis, resulting in the formation of polar bodies. Normally, polar bodies disintegrate and do not develop into embryos. However, in the case of polar body twinning, two sperm fertilize both the egg and its polar bodies, leading to the development of twins with slightly different genetic compositions. These twins share about 75% of their genetic material, making them more genetically similar than fraternal, dizygotic twins, but not as identical as monozygotic twins. Polar body twinning is so rare that only a few cases have been documented in medical literature. Studying polar body twins can provide valuable insights into the complexities of human reproduction and genetic variation. However, due to their rarity, much about their development and long-term outcomes remains unknown. Number 6. Superfetation, twins. Research suggests that superfetation may only happen in 1 out of a few million pregnancies, and that there have been fewer than 10 cases worldwide. Superfetation is a rare phenomenon in which a woman becomes pregnant while already pregnant. This occurs when a woman ovulates and conceives a second embryo while she is already pregnant with another embryo or fetus. As a result, superfetation twins are conceived at different times, and they may have different gestational ages, even though they share the same womb. The exact mechanism behind superfetation is not fully understood, but it is believed to occur when hormonal fluctuations allow for the release and fertilization of another egg after conception has already taken place. This can happen in cases where a woman continues to ovulate after becoming pregnant, which is uncommon but not impossible. Superfetation twins may have different biological fathers if the woman has had intercourse with multiple partners and conceives from each of them during different ovulation cycles. Alternatively, superfetation can also occur with a single partner if the woman ovulates again after already being pregnant. While superfetation is extremely rare in humans, there have been documented cases in medical literature. However, it can be difficult to diagnose and may only be discovered through ultrasound imaging or other medical tests that reveal differences in gestational age between the fetuses. Superfetation twins may face unique challenges due to differences in size and development, but with appropriate medical care, they can still have healthy outcomes. Number 7. Vanishing twins. Vanishing twin syndrome is a rare occurrence during pregnancy where one fetus in a multiple pregnancy spontaneously disappears or is absorbed by the mother's body or the surviving twin. Typically detected through ultrasound, the disappearance may go unnoticed initially and can happen during the first trimester. Several factors may contribute to vanishing twin syndrome, including chromosomal abnormalities, developmental issues, or problems with implantation. In some cases, the cause remains unknown. While the exact prevalence is difficult to determine due to many cases going undetected, estimates suggest that vanishing twin syndrome occurs in around 20 to 30% of multi-fetal pregnancies. For the surviving twin, the disappearance of the sibling usually does not pose significant health risks. However, it can lead to emotional distress for the parents, who may experience a range of feelings, including grief, confusion, and guilt. Understanding vanishing twin syndrome highlights the complexities of early pregnancy and the importance of prenatal care. It also emphasizes the need for emotional support for families navigating such experiences. In some cases, healthcare providers may recommend additional monitoring to ensure the well-being of the surviving twin and address any potential complications that may arise as a result of the vanishing twin phenomenon. Number 8. Fetus-in-fetus twin. This is a rare entity in which one malformed vertebrate fetus is enclosed within the body of its twin. This is an extremely rare condition, and Hopkins et al. Found less than 100 case reports on an extensive review of the literature. Fetus-in-fetus is an exceedingly rare developmental anomaly where a malformed parasitic twin is found inside the body of its host twin. This condition typically arises during early embryonic development when one twin becomes enveloped within the body of its sibling. Instead of developing independently, the parasitic twin remains partially or fully enclosed within the abdomen or other body cavities of the host twin. Over time, the parasitic twin may develop rudimentary organs, limbs, or even a head, resembling a fetus. Despite its appearance, the parasitic twin cannot survive independently and relies entirely on the blood supply of the host twin. Symptoms of the fetus-in-fetus may include abdominal mass, discomfort, or other complications depending on the location and size of the parasitic twin. Surgical intervention is often necessary to remove the parasitic twin and alleviate any associated health risks to the host twin. Although exceedingly rare, fetus-in-fetus cases provide valuable insights into the complexities of embryonic development and present unique medical challenges for diagnosis and treatment. Now imagine a baby having two sets of DNA. Is this really possible? This question takes us to our next rare twins. So, let's find out in number 9, chimeric twins. This type of twins, also known as tetragametic chimeras, are a fascinating yet rare occurrence in embryonic development. Identical twins typically form when a single fertilized egg splits into two embryos, each developing its own set of genetic material. However, in the case of chimeric twins, the fertilized egg starts to split but then stops prematurely. Subsequently, the two embryos fuse, resulting in a single individual with two distinct sets of DNA. This fusion can occur at various stages of embryonic development, leading to different degrees of chimerism. In some cases, the merging happens early, resulting in a person with distinct traits from each twin spread throughout their body. For example, one part of the body might have one eye color, while another part has a different eye color, reflecting the genetic contributions of each twin. The exact mechanisms behind chimeric twinning are still not fully understood, but it's believed to occur early in gestation. Factors such as hormonal fluctuations or genetic abnormalities may influence the fusion process. Chimeric individuals may not even be aware of their unique genetic makeup unless it's discovered through genetic testing, perhaps due to medical reasons or during fertility treatments. Despite their rarity, chimeric twins provide valuable insights into embryonic development and the complexities of genetic variation. Number 10. Monoamniotic twins. This type of twin birth is also known as monoamniotic monochorionic twins, MOMO twins. They are a rare and unique type of twin pregnancy where both fetuses share the same amniotic sac and placenta. Unlike diamniotic twins, where each fetus has its amniotic sac within a shared placenta, monoamniotic twins are contained within a single amniotic sac. This occurs when the fertilized egg fails to fully divide after conception, leading to both fetuses developing within the same amniotic cavity. Due to the proximity within the same sac, monoamniotic twins are at higher risk of certain complications compared to other types of twins. The most significant concern is the potential for umbilical cord entanglement, which can occur as the fetuses move around within the limited space of the amniotic sac. This poses a risk of compression of the umbilical cords, potentially restricting blood flow and oxygen supply to one or both fetuses. As a result of these increased risks, pregnancies with monoamniotic twins require careful monitoring and management by healthcare professionals. Close surveillance through frequent ultrasound scans is typically employed to monitor the growth and well-being of both fetuses and to detect any signs of complications early on. In some cases, Early delivery may be recommended to reduce the risk of adverse outcomes for the twins. Despite the challenges posed by a monoamniotic pregnancy with appropriate medical care, many of these pregnancies result in the successful birth of healthy twins. Number 11. Diamniotic twins. This twin birth is also known as dichorionic-diamniotic twins, DID twins. It is a common type of twin pregnancy where each fetus develops within its separate amniotic sac and has its placenta. This occurs when the fertilized egg divides early during embryonic development, typically within the first few days after conception, resulting in two separate embryos. Because each fetus has its amniotic sac and placenta, diamniotic twins are generally considered to have a lower risk of certain complications compared to monoamniotic or monochorionic twins. For example, the risk of umbilical cord entanglement and compression is reduced since each fetus has its own space to move around within the womb. However, diamniotic twins still require careful monitoring and management throughout the pregnancy, as they are still at an increased risk of certain complications compared to singleton pregnancies. Common concerns include preterm birth, growth discordance, where one twin grows significantly larger than the other, and twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome, TTTS, in cases where the placentas are shared and blood flow between the twins becomes imbalanced. Regular prenatal care, including frequent ultrasound scans and monitoring of fetal growth and well-being, is essential for the optimal management of diamniotic twin pregnancies. Additionally, healthcare providers may recommend specialized care or interventions based on the specific needs and circumstances of each pregnancy. Despite the potential challenges, many diamniotic twin pregnancies result in the successful birth of healthy twins with proper medical attention and support. As we draw the curtains on our exploration of rare types of twin birth, it's evident that the world of twinning is as diverse as it is fascinating. From conjoined twins to chimeric twins, each variation offers a unique glimpse into the complexities of human genetics and development. Reflecting on the journey we've embarked upon, it's clear that rare twins not only captivate our imagination, but also challenge our understanding of biological processes. Our journey into the world of rare twin births has been a testament to the endless wonders of nature. It has sparked our curiosity, inspired our imagination, and deepened our appreciation for the diversity of the human experience. As we close this chapter and venture forth into the unknown, let us carry with us a newfound sense of wonder and awe, for in the realm of rare twins' birth, as in life itself, the possibilities are as boundless as the human spirit. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, keep your opinions rolling, and remember to keep seeking out the wonders that make our world endlessly fascinating. If you find this video informative or enlightening, kindly click the subscribe and like button to stay tuned for more mind-blowing videos. To get notifications every time we upload new videos, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Hope it was worth your time. See you in our next video.